This is the Foreo UFO Smart Facial Treatment Mask. You do have to download the app to be able to use it, to turn it on at all. So I've already paired it via Bluetooth, so it recognizes it right away. And then if you want to use the specific treatment instead of just manually doing it, you do have to scan the back of the pouch with the barcode, and then it gives you instructions on how to use it.
Secure the UFO activated mask to your device by clipping the attachment ring into place with the Foreo logo facing up.
So there is the little cloth in there. There's quite a lot of product in it as well, so I keep the little pouch and I'm able to use it a second time. And then just kind of spread it out on the mask or on the device and then hook it in place, and then you can press start and it's going to start giving you the facial.
Use a circular motion as you gently glide UFO across your face and neck, distributing mask essence evenly. Allow your mind and body to relax as red LED and a gentle warmth prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this age renewal complex. Warmth and T-sonic pulsations instantly infuse collagen-rich essence into your skin, while red LED light helps to give you a more youthful appearance.
This one is the what they call youth junkie mask, so it does, the pulses and the heat. There are other ones like nighttime or morning that also does like cooling as well as like other light therapy.
As this nourishing facial treatment comes to a close, warmth gradually reduces, while red LED light leaves you with a radiant, younger-looking complexion. You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed. Your smart mask treatment is now complete. If you'd like, you can repeat the treatment. Otherwise, dispose of the UFO activated mask and rinse your device under running water.
There's still a lot of product left, so tomorrow or another day I will squeeze the rest out. So if you want to use it just on its own and not have the actual treatment, you can go to the controls, and then here you can just play around with the different colors or the light therapy. Honestly, I didn't really notice a difference with light therapy. I've heard a lot about red light therapy, but there's a lot of science behind it as well. So just with this, I haven't noticed a difference. But it's pretty cool that you can play around with the colors as well as the temperature. I like the heat, but again, I didn't notice a difference between heating with the blue or heating with the red, although I think you're supposed to heat with the red. But you can make it super vibrating and pulsing, and then also just have it less or off, as well as cooling it. And you can make it blue and cool, or then not. It's a fun thing to play around with, and it was relaxing as I was doing it. And like I said, I really like the warming feature. And maybe it makes my face glow a bit, but I think a lot of it is the actual mask and the lotion in there. But it was a fun little at-home device.